Hi and welcome everyone. Today I'm making a high-protein treat, completely whole food, plant-based. What I like about it is that it's packed with nutrients. Unlike your common dessert full of processed carbohydrates, hydrogenated oils, and sugar, this one is abundant in iron, healthy fats, and protein. Another thing, the first time I made it, they tasted like Ukrainian dish called Syrnyky that roughly can be translated as Cottage Cheese Pancakes, which for me makes it even more comforting to eat remembering childhood. Let us dive into the ingredients. We will need 250 grams of firm tofu, 4 dates. I'm using medjool dates, which are quite large. Then half a cup of cashew nuts, half a cup of walnuts, juice of 1 lemon, half a cup of raisins, and for amazing flavor, I have 1 centimeter of vanilla bean, and of course a pinch of salt, a staple in baking to bring out the aromas. To begin, we need to soak cashews and pitted dates overnight. Place them in the container and add enough of water to cover them. Leave them in the fridge for about 12 hours for softening. Once done, drain and rinse well. Next, we will use a blender or a grinder for processing. Place cashews, dates, lemon juice, vanilla bean, and that pinch of salt inside. Blend until fully mixed. Depending on your blender, you might need to add a splash of water to make sure it combines well and shake it once or twice. At the end, you should have a creamy texture like this. Next, I'm using a food processor with a gentle mixing blade to combine everything together. Place crumbled tofu, chopped walnuts, raisins, and our mixture into the container and process until it all mixes up together. Right now is a great time to preheat the oven, setting it at 180 degrees Celsius. In the meantime, let's get a baking tray lined up with silicone mat and using a form transfer our dough. Bake these for 25 to 30 minutes. As always, I like mine well cooked, so I had them in the oven for 30 minutes. You can see the beautiful crust they got. Just look at this. Really delicious. Brings me back in time to being a carefree little girl. I will go and finish these. I hope you will try it out. Let me know what you think. Thank you for cooking with me. Take care and goodbye.